All right, guys. This is the Euro USD, and today is the 22nd of June. So, looking at the price action right here, would say price is looking bearish, right? Price is looking bearish because, like, if we're not going further back in time, price created this high, right? And then price created this high right here, and then created this low, and created this low, right? Then break through this high again with this new high, right? And then failed to continue higher. Instead, it came down and then gave us this lower low, and then it gave us this lower high right here. And ever since then, price has been giving us lower lows and lower highs, right? It's another lower low right here, and then currently this is um, the current high that we're looking at. It's a current high, and since we've already had this high and price is showing us a sign of bearishness, that means our next target should be this low right here. Our target should be this low right here. But looking at this price action, I think we have about two targets. We have this low right here, and we also have this low. We also have this low right here, right? Also have this low right here. So we have this low and this low. Um, all right. This week I talked about price reacting towards a particular level here. I just found out that it was this level right here. If you can see clearly, you see that price was actually going like price created this high, right? It came down, created this new high. It came down again, created this new high, came down, then then continue upward, right? Then continue upward. Uh so um so when price break through a particular high, when it's going up, when it's trending upwards, when price break to a particular high, it's supposed to come back and retrace. It's supposed to come back and test that high. So actually we didn't get the proper test. We didn't get the proper test to this high, right? We didn't get a proper test. So price break, and then it was kind of like consolidating towards this area, and then it pushed up. So we were looking. I was hoping that price could react to this area. So here we are. Price came and then reacted, tested the area, then it pushed up, it pushed to the upside, pushed to the upside right there, and it came again this week and tested it and then pushed now it's rejecting. Now what I love about this area is because I know from what's happening right here, I know that price is going to trade into this fair value gap right here. I know that price is going to trade into this fair value gap. Price is going to trade into this area before continuing lower, because the reason why I'm so confident is because we have this low right here. All right, now if price were to like retrace right up until this level or any level which is here on the lower time frame, then price would have at least took out liquidity. Price would have taken out this liquidity resting below here before continuing higher, but now price didn't do that. All right, price didn't do that. That means there are still there are still these levels right here are still levels that can act as our targets if we're selling, right? So for price to continue higher, it needs to take out all of these liquidities right here. This level already has already been activated as a liquidity level, and then this level right here and this level right here. So right now, I'm looking forward for price to trade into this zone, right? For price to trade into this zone right here, price to trade into this zone. Yep, and then I can I can then go down to the 4 hour, can then go down to the 4 hour time frame and wait for 4 hours, 4 hours, fair value gaps going lower, right? If price trade into this zone right here, this is it. If price trade into this zone right here, right? If price trade in here, then I'll be waiting. I'll be looking forward for price creating bearish fair value gaps going lower. Then when I get bearish fair value gaps going lower, then I wait for price to trade into it. When price does that, then I can then take my entries in the 15 minutes. Sorry, and then take my entries on the 15 minutes, targeting this low and eventually this low as well. So that is it. That is my look for That's my lookout for Euro USD for this week, right? That's my look on it. So let's just do a quick recap. Let's just do a quick recap. So Euro USD on the daily time frame, we are seeing this level that hasn't been taken out. Let me just get the line. We're seeing this level that wasn't taken out, right? On Euro USD, we're seeing this level as well that wasn't taken out. We're also seeing this level down here that wasn't taken out, right? And currently, we're seeing the market creating lower lows and lower highs, creating lower lows and lower highs. So, price is definitely, from the look of things, with the way price has been working, price definitely going to create a new lower low, right? So if we go down, so what are we doing now? We are waiting for price to retrace back into this fair value gap that was created on Friday. That was yesterday, the 21st of June. Waiting for price to trade into this, to move into this fair value gap. Then we can go to the 4 hours time frame. Can go to the 4 hours time frame, and then yep, can go to this 4 hour time frame and then wait for price to start creating bearish fair value gaps like these ones, right? Wait for price to start creating bearish fair value gaps sorry, like this and this. Now, when price move up to this fair value gap and then start creating bearish fair value gaps like this, then we can then take our trade inside of these bearish fair value gaps on a 15-minute time frame using sharp turn entry, targeting these levels down here. These levels, as you see right here, we're targeting those levels. So my suggestion is, if you can take a trade right here, I would suggest that you just hold the trade. You can take like two trades, right? You can take like two trades and then you exit one right here, and then you can just hold the other one to all right up to this point, this level down here. So that is it for Euro USD. That is my thought for Euro USD for this coming week. All right, thank you very much, and I love you guys.